Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. This is a little bit of a different video today. I went to Freya over at Budgie Budgets and I asked her to do a whole bunch of envelopes. So this is kind of a unboxing slash first reaction slash setup, new setup. So as some of you are aware, some money went missing from my binder about a fortnight ago. I don't know how it happened. So I have decided I'm still going to be using cash, but I have decided to lower the limit of what I put in there. So from next month, I will be doing $550 a fortnight into my high priority, medium and low priority sinking funds, and the same amount into my savings challenges. So I'll still be doing the 2 videos a month, but it will just be at that amount. First I want to show you some, I've been busy. I've made my own trackers. So like these are the ones I have made. This is my favourite, this one here, tattoo. I've put the denominations down as what I would like them to be rather than a set denomination for from someone else. So these will be going in as my trackers. And apparently I cannot talk today. So I got this afternoon. I was so excited when I got this. I've been holding off until I did this video because I wanted my reaction to be authentic. Freya, I truly appreciate you taking the time and making me 57 envelopes. It's amazing. So thank you so much. And thank you for the freebies and the stickers. They will not go to waste. And there they are there. So I'll read the note first. It says, "Dear Rachel, I cannot thank you enough for your trusting me with this huge order. I hope you love them and enjoy the freebies. Love, Freya." And so I've already messaged Freya and I said thank you for the freebies because I couldn't wait. So she's given me this one here, which is a colour mini savings challenge, colour me in. So you can set each letter to whatever denomination you want. So for me, I'll be doing $5. So this is going to be a fun one for me. And then she's given me some season challenges, which is awesome. Each denomination is between $10 and $5. So that's the spring one. That's the autumn, so lots of autumn vibes. And then summer, got lots of different summer ones, so they're all the same denominations between $10 and $5. And winter, I'm looking forward to doing this one. And I also have Caro Cash's Caroline's challenge for ready to go for winter. Alright, are we all ready? So I think I'm going to leave the challenge ones last. Keep you all anticipating. And myself. So I love how they're wrapped, Freya. These are gorgeous. I don't want to break it. So I did ask for a green background because green is my favourite colour with the opal holographic. Put that to the side. Oh my god, Freya. These are absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I cannot believe. Oh, I love them. They are so gorgeous. So we have Black Friday, because I want to start saving for that. Cyber Monday. Costco. I do a shop once a year at Costco, so that's for. Clothes. I'm gonna get these so that the light doesn't shine on them. Shoes, because I wear expensive runners. I don't wear heels or boots. I just wear shoes due to my runners and flat shoes due to my disability that I have. I was born with a speech impairment, as you can hear. I also have a rod in my back due to scoliosis, so the shoes help. Hair care, family, so that's for when we go out for family fun time. Home, so anything is if I want to buy plants or toiletries, things like that. Technology, so if I want to get a new phone or laptop, or if one of my chargers has failed, I can take out of that, which I had to the other day actually. Animals, because I would love to save up for an animal, and I know the cost of having an animal is really expensive at the moment, so having a envelope for that will help. Excuse me, gotta have a drink. So fun. So I wanted to save up because everything is so expensive now. Now that my rent has gone up, and I need something to be able to save for myself, essentially. So this is a me envelope. Tattoo. I really want to finish off my left arm. So that's going to cost a pretty penny. So that is beautiful. Hobbies, because I have so many hobbies. I go through hobbies. I'm the type of person who gets obsessed with doing one hobby for a long period of time, and then I get sick of it. As my family would tell you, I have so many different hobbies that I've started and haven't finished. But this will help me save up for hopefully trying to finish those hobbies. So, crochet, as Freya would know, she and Lily from Budgie Budgets. I love crocheting a blanket at the moment. My first project, so this will help me save up for the wool, because wool is so expensive these days. Adventure, and this is for when I want to go on small trips in South Australia to Port Pirie or to Port Elliot or to Victor Harbour. I can take money out of here, and that can be my spending money, or it can also be an overnight adventure as well. So, travel New Zealand. So, 8 years ago, I went to New Zealand on a cruise with my mum and dad and my grandparents. And I've been wanting to go back. I won't go back with my grandparents. That's a long story, that one. But me and my mum are looking to go back in a few years' time. So this will help with the cost of flights and expenses. So looking forward to doing that. And Travel J, I did it like this because I knew it would frustrate the hell out of Freya for having a whole two words on there. So I was nice to her. And so Travel J is actually Travel Japan. I have wanted to go to Japan for probably since I was 13. Even before that. I love history. History and me, we get along well. You can ask me about World War II, World War One, and the history of Japan, and I can tell you. But I would love to learn more. I'm always up for an adventure, and this is my dream. This is my number one bucket list dream to do. So I'm so excited to be able to say for that as well. And the next one. Sorry guys, I should have said grab a drink as well, because this is going to be a long video. Crinkling, sorry about that. So the next one is my year, or most of my bills. So yearly, this will be for my ambulance cover, or any yearly bill that I get. These, Freya, you really have outdone yourself with all of these. I love the Opal holographic. Quarterly. So this is for my electricity, gas and water. I'm lucky enough to live in a rental that is owned by family. My dad did a lot of maintenance on the house when me and my housemate moved into the place. So in honour of that, they essentially said, don't worry about paying water, we will pay it for you, just as a thank you for doing the maintenance. So all me and my housemate have to worry about is doing the paying the electricity and the gas. So unexpected. Unexpected is basically that unexpected bill that you weren't anticipating, or you have an unexpected emergency happen and you don't have enough in your emergency fund. Things like that. So savings, let me tell you, yes, my savings are zilch at the moment. I decided that I wanted to pay my sister back for the fridge, and I gave her what I had in my savings, which was $400 in my savings. So yeah, so I'm basically starting fresh with every envelope and every category now, which is fine. Like, setbacks happen. I'm not angry or sad about it, but I just know that I won't be cash stuffing at my parents' house anymore. So yeah, and I am looking forward to paying my sister back for the fridge, which I'm hoping will be next fortnight. For it. So work. So this is to do with anything for work. If I need to get a new worktop, or if there's a function coming up that I need to pay for, or if I just want to order lunch one day at work, so I can take money out of this, and that will cover that. So emergency. So emergency is basically an emergency fund. You just basically, if the television breaks, or if your laptop or headphones break, you can take money out of that, essentially. But I would like to save up and keep it for a actual emergency for when I move out of the current rental place I'm living at. Because I'm looking for somewhere closer to work, but I am also aiming to buy an apartment in about 2-3 years' time, in hopes of moving to Queensland, or Sydney. I'm still deciding on where I want to move to. But emergency will help me with if I need, essentially having that emergency fund there for what ifs. Buffer is if I go over, if a bill is over what I've stuffed, then I can take out buffer and it will be covered. Apartment, so apartment D is my apartment deposit. I decided that owning a house would be a bit too big for one person. I love living in smaller areas and smaller places, just because I find for me, I feel like I'd be a lot safer living in an apartment building, and that way I have neighbours who can check on my apartment when I'm not there. And I would love a balcony. I love balconies. So, yeah. NDIS. So, for those of you who aren't in Australia, we have a scheme here that came in through the government in 2018 called NDIS. NDIS is short for National Disability Insurance Scheme. So NDIS is to help people like myself with a disability to get out and socialise, and it's to help with medical expenses if it's needed. It's to help people go on holidays if they need to go on a holiday for any reason. So I thought I'd like to save up money and pay out of that, and then get reimbursed by the NDIS because I am self-managed. There's that one. Glasses. I do wear glasses. At the moment I'm not, because I don't need them for reading. So my glasses are really expensive because I go to Oscar and Wiley. I absolutely love their glasses. And getting 2 pairs of glasses, it cost me around $600 for 2 pair. So yeah, so that's pretty self-explanatory. Medical is if I have a medical emergency and I need to have a procedure done. This will help cover the out-of-pocket cost. I'm here in Australia, we're lucky enough to have private health and Medicare. So usually Medicare and private health would cover a portion of that cost of that medical bill, and then you'll just have to pay that difference. So I think unfortunately they don't cover all of it. It would be nice if they did, but they don't. So you still need to cover part of it as well. So this is what that would be for. Dental, pretty self-explanatory, any dental work. And because of the medication I'm on and my disability, I need to have dental work done every 3 months just to keep my teeth cleaned, and a check-up and x-rays, so that will help cover the cost for that. Health, I take, as I've said, I take medication, so this will cover the cost for my medication that I take, as some of it can be pretty expensive medication. So I'm going to take another drink. Right, Christmas. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm trying to save for Christmas now. I did it last year and it was amazing. I only went over by $20. So this year I'm aiming for that $1,500 mark. So then that way I have that buffer there if I need it. If I don't, then that would be awesome. That would be $500 going into next year. But once this is saved for, I can start putting that money aside for other categories as well. Easter, I saved for chocolates are expensive at Easter time, and so are some presents, so I'd like to save and not have to worry about where I'm going to get the money from that. Mother's Day was yesterday here in Australia. To all you beautiful mothers out there, I hope you had a wonderful day with your family. And I hope you got spoilt rotten by your kids. Father's Day, pretty much the same. Our Father's Day here in Australia is in September. I know in America it's earlier than that. So anyone in America who watches, just comment below when Father's Day is. I would love to know, or anyone in the world. Birthdays, pretty explanatory. And gifts, is a different category from birthdays. I wanted to keep them separate. This is for if I need to get a last minute gift for a baby shower or something like that. So yeah, so those are the ones with the words. I absolutely adore these, Freya. I am going to have so much fun setting my binder up. So, yeah. Alright. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. So I was talking with Freya, and I wanted something different for my challenge binder. And instead of the word challenge. So I asked Freya if she could do me animals, because I'm an animal lover. And she came through with flying colours by the looks of it. So I'm so excited to get into this. So I'm trying to be respectful of the tissue paper, but chuck that over there. Oh my god, these are so cute. That is adorable. I've got a little snail. Oh my god, Freya, these are so cute. Oh. Seriously. Oh my god, that is so adorable. I like literally can't even right now. Like, I have a feeling I'm gonna be going most of it, so excuse me for that. Oh my god. Oh. My support worker absolutely loves cows. Just wait until I show her that. She is gonna die so badly. Oh my god. That is adorable. Oh, stop. Oh, stop, Freya. Oh my god. Seriously. How? I am cunningly impressed. That is super adorable. I have to come up with more challenges now. Oh my god. Like, literally stop. Like, oh my god. That is so cute. My niece absolutely loves lions. She loves them. She's gonna die when she sees that. I think she's even gonna try and steal this on from me. But she's not. Oh my god, even the monkey. Like, look how cute that is. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, you've done me. You have done me, Freya. Oh my god. They are so cute. I don't want to have a look at the rest of them because I'm like literally so excited. Like, seriously. Oh, stop. that is so cute. Oh, like a whale. That would have taken you ages. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I'm done. I'm like, these are just too cute, Freya. Seriously. Honestly, if I come across an otter next, I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Okay. Sharky, be a good boy. Oh my god, he is so cute. Oh, the seals, stop it. Like, literally, stop it. I can't even now. I'm gonna have trouble deciding which one goes first in the binder. Oh, he's adorable. Like, look at the turtle. I actually have a turtle, so this is perfect for you. Oh my god, so cute. I've got 2 dogs at home and a cat. Oh, the dolphin. This is adorable. I love dolphins. Oh, the little duck. That is too adorable. Alright. I literally have 5 more after this. Oh, stop. Oh my god, Freya. Yeah, this one's going first. This one is going first. Like, literally, I can't even with that. Oh my god. Stop it. Yeah, I'm putting him first. Oh, the penguin is so cute. Okay. Oh, look at the baby koala. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, okay. Okay. You have to outdone yourself. Yeah, you have. I've got 3 more after this. 2 more after this. Oh my god. I can't decide now whether I want the meerkat or the otter go first. No, otter's going first. Otter's going first. Oh, this one's cute. That is adorable. I love the hearts. And the stars. Oh, Freya. These are amazing. I absolutely love them. Oh my gosh. These 2 are by far my favourite. The otter and the meerkat. So stinking cute. Right. Oh my god. Alright. I'm going to set up my challenge binder last so I can gush over them again. So we're going to start with my high priority. And these binders are still quite new. So I've got a Terezzo binder. These are from Filofax. And you can find them on Amazon. So high priority, I have already set these up. Got my trackers done first. Now it's going to be fun trying to find these. So, just go onto my laptop for a minute, guys. Alright, so cool. Medical NEIS buffer no. Work quarterly crochet fun go past. Travel Japan, travel New Zealand, and I did not make one for phone. So Freya, I'll be making another purchase next fortnight with the categories I missed. Alright. So we got quarterly, Christmas, medical, travel New Zealand, travel Japan, buffer, NDIS, oh, crochet meant to go before New Zealand, then work and fun. I've got quarterly, Christmas, medical, crochet, travel New Zealand, travel Japan, buffer, NDIS, work and fun. So, got quarterly, Christmas, medical, crochet, this one I really liked as well, travel New Zealand, travel Japan, buffer, excuse me, a sneeze then, NDIS, work and fun. So they look pretty good if I don't mind saying so. So we got quarterly, Christmas, medical, crochet, travel New Zealand, travel Japan, buffer, NDIS, work and fun. And that is a high priority done. So So my next one is going to be my medium priority, and it's going to be in this triangle one. So my medium priority will have I know these ones are going in events. So a medium priority will have glasses, apartment, and I think I might put dental and health in there. Emergency savings, nearly tattoo, technology, home, Costco, their events, and the rest will be low priority. Alright. Sorry guys, I know I'm not doing a lot of talking, but I just want to make sure that I get everything right. Alright, so we have apartment, emergency, yearly is in the other one. Where is my glasses? Oh, come on, I kind of lost it. There. Glasses. Right. Technology. Tattoo. Savings. No, not 315 venture either. Yes, I did. Adventure. And apparently I'll put family in here. Family. I'm going to do it that way, I think. There's that. Alright, putting the trackers in. Again, I apologise, guys. This is one thing I like to do is set them up, but it's a lot harder doing it on camera. Alright. Apartment deposit. Emergency fund. Glasses. Technology. Tattoo. Savings. Family. Adventure. Home. Health. Costco. Don't have one for dental at the moment. Right, and that's medium priority done. Low priority will be my green speckled binder. Then we got yearly. Apparently I just put the health in wrong. Binder. Put that out. So health. Gifts. Clothes. Shoes. Hair care. Animals. Hobbies. And unexpected in my low priority. Alright, let's grab my next lot. So yearly. Health already has that one. Gifts. shoes, hair care, animals, and unexpected. So that's that low priority all done. So next up is my events binder, and that's on this pretty floral binder. Uh-oh. There we go. So we've got Easter, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and birthdays going into the event binder. So grab my trackers. So my Easter tracker. Black Friday. Cyber Monday. Excuse me, guys. Mother's Day. Father's Day. And birthdays. So that's the event binder all done. So now we're up to my second triangle one binder, and this is a fun one. This is a challenge binder. This is my gush over the animal binder again. I've got all my challenges planned out, and I am also going to throw in Freya's winter challenge as well. So, I'm so excited for these. So, here we are. So, Otter goes first. Meerkat. I'm going to put the stars and hearts last, I think, just to finish them off. Snail. Little ducky. Frog. Cow. Koala. Kitty. Mr. Octo. Mr. Sharky. Miss Whale. Mr. Lion. Miss Elephant. Miss Puppy, Miss Penguin, Miss Dolphin, Mr. Turtle, Mr. Sea Lion, Mr. Monkey, because we all know monkeys are troublemakers. Then we got the stars and the love hearts. Now I can pop my challenges in. So I can get used to them being this way now. So the otter gets Miss Freya's winter challenge. There we go. Meerkat gets Caroline's winter challenge. Snail, Lily's scratch off challenge. So this binder has a mix of challenges from Freya, from Lily over at Budgie Budgets, Caroline over at Carrot Cash, and of course we can't miss out on Flo and Ellie, who I absolutely adore with their challenges. Another one from Caroline, the 200 envelope challenge. I'm really excited to start that soon. This one's from Flo and Ellie, Follow Your Heart. Alright, that's all the challenge binder all done. I know I have a few envelopes at the back, but I'm going to leave them for now. I'm going to keep the love heart envelope for when I finish the challenge, and I don't know what to do with it yet. That will go at the back. I just want to say thank you very much for sitting through an almost hour video. I truly appreciate it. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you like the difference of this video. Again, thank you to Freya over at Budgie Budgets for this beautiful work. As you can tell, I am overjoyed with the beautiful envelopes you have created for me. I will link Freya's Etsy down below, as well as Caroline and Lily's, and also Flo and Ellie. Oh God, sorry Flo. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you have a great week ahead of you. I look forward to watching everyone's videos this week, and I will see you next month for my first rebirth cash stuffing. Thank you again. Have a nice night. Bye guys.